Hey creative community, I am Mugsy and welcome to my art channel Mugsy Makes. Today's video is a rehash on how to make a silicone mold really quick. I needed to make a mold of this metal frame that I had. I wanted to use it in some mixed media, but I didn't want to have the weight of the frame because it is a metal frame. And also I didn't want to use the frame and never have it again, so making a duplicate mold is always a good thing. I just wanted to show you guys how quick and easy this really is with just a little bit of dish soap, icy cold water, and silicone, 100% silicone. You can make some pretty good molds, and you can make your objects for your mixed media instead of having to go out and buy every little thing. And a lot of the times the things that I want to make a creation of is something I've found and it's unique, or it's something I've made and I want a copy of it. So just a quick tip, check out my longer video on silicone molds. But just remember, silicone sticks to silicone. So make sure that you don't use anything silicone. Make sure your hands at all times are soapy with the Dawn dish detergent. Make sure all your mold making supplies are covered in dish soap. And just take your time. It's super fun. Alright guys, hopefully this helps. Sorry my camera gets a little twitchy right here. I use the C920 webcam, which is a fantastic camera for recording YouTube videos, and especially for art videos, but other than it has problems with blue and purple, and then also if there's too much commotion going on, like this towel is turned upside down, and so you can see a lot of the stitching of the skulls, and I think it's messing with my camera a little bit. As you can see, I just used a plastic picture frame that you can get at Michael's. It's like the shadow boxes. And then I put the silicone in that and then pressed what I wanted molded. They are super easy to demold. Make sure once you're done, you want to store it outside for a couple days because that silicone smell is quite strong. Make sure it's totally dry before using. And then here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just shove some polymer clay into it, make a mold, trim it up, bake it at the polymer clay temperatures that you were using, and then you have a nice replica of your frame. Alright guys, my tongue is super tied today, so I'm going to quit speaking while I'm ahead. I hope you guys are all having a really good week. It's snowing here again. I'm really not happy about that, but it's spring, so we have a little bit of sunshine every day, and it's been staying light till almost 8 o'clock at night. That definitely helps with the summer's coming sort of feel. So again, you guys have a great week. I love all your faces. Oh hey, yeah, right here. Remember to put a little bit of this is cornstarch in the mold. That way, I don't think the polymer clay would stick, but I always like using a little bit of cornstarch. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Look at our numbers, they're going up. There's so many new faces here. Hello, all of you. I'm really working on my social media a little bit more. I know that most of my content here is on YouTube, and I'm trying to spread out a little bit, which I will be doing over the next month or so. So stick around, fun things are happening. For those who are wondering where the puzzle pieces are, oh, they're staring here right at me. I've got some to put up here for you here in the next week or so. Alright, you guys, go out and create something for the greater good, and I'll see you next video.